Hello traders, and welcome to another weekly market forecast video. So hopefully everybody's having a great weekend. So we have a couple of good and important updates to share with you during this weekly market forecast video. The first thing is that you might have noticed as well that we have upgraded our microphone that we record these videos. So let us know down in the comments if you prefer this one rather than the previous. We would appreciate your feedback. Then the other important update that we have to share is that on the 20th of December this month, we are going to host our yearly market forecast video for our members exclusively, which we are going to go through the year of 2025, what we could expect across the market, including Forex, commodities, indices, cryptos, ETFs, and so on and so forth, and stocks as well. So we pretty much cover everything. And also the next big announcement is going to be our end of the year special offer, which if you are serious about your trading, this is an offer that we are never going to publish again. And I'm going to explain the details right now because this is a big one that is going to give you most of the value heading into 2025. And we will share with you what is coming ahead. So firstly, we have shared these things on our Telegram channel. So if you are not subscribed, please do so. The link is in the description. So you can get updated exactly on the day that we share these notifications. So this is the first thing, our yearly webinar and the market forecast for 2025. We are going to host this on the 20th of December at 5 p.m. GMT, and this is exclusive only for our members. You can join us as well with the link in the description, which is this one right here. You can find our page through buymeacoffee.com /ROI forecast. So we are going to go through the yearly forecast because it's always important to be prepared and to understand what the markets might be doing. And also it's important to understand why, because when we share our analysis and forecast, we always connect the dots and we explain to our members why we see that, because there are many factors that influence financial markets that most of you are not aware of, and that's why we still have, as you know, a lot of traders are failing. And this is also secondarily after the fact that there is a lack of risk management amongst the retail trading industry. So if you want to get your trading to the next level, consider becoming a member, especially with the next offer that we are going to show you. And this is going to be an offer that we will never put again, and this is only because we are going to have a very big year in 2025 with the next updates you are going to see next. So this is the end of the year special offer. So from yesterday until the end of the year, 31st of December, you can join our yearly plan instead of the monthly. With the yearly plan, anyway, you save 2 months of the year. You essentially pay for 10 months, you get 12. And in return, we will give you an extra month off. So you are going to pay for 10 months of membership and you're going to have 13. And also, we are going to give you for free our comprehensive educational video series, which is going to be launched with our official website in January next month to begin the year off for free. This educational video series, it's all of the knowledge and understanding that we are using to create our market analysis and forecast for the short term and especially the long term time frames. And this includes everything: Forex, stocks, indices, cryptos, commodities and metals, and ETFs. So with this comprehensive educational video series, you are going to learn exactly how we do our long-term and shorter-term market analysis and forecast. You are going to learn when is the timing to look for specific trades, and when is the timing that you should be looking to potentially exit any specific trades, or whether you should be looking to sell your long-term portfolio, whether you have stocks or cryptos or whatever. You are going to basically learn everything that you need in order to succeed in this business. This has nothing to do with anything that you have known until today. And this is something that you need to have a good understanding to take your trading and investing to the next level. You need to know when is the time to do what. This is the most important thing. And then, of course, you need to be able to apply proper risk management, because the number one reason after the wrong analysis is that most traders lose money because of poor risk management and blowing up accounts. So if you don't want to be in that position, this is the thing that you should be getting to help you navigate 2025 and beyond. And this knowledge is going to stay with you for a lifetime. And also you will have access to our membership, which we are going to take your questions throughout the live sessions. You are going to get everything that you need in order to be able to make 2025 your best trading year yet. Now, the price of this that we are going to give for free with this offer is going to be 1,600 euros when we will have it on our website. And this is why this is a very big special offer that we will never put again. You basically pay 1,000 euros, you get 13 months of our monthly membership. You are going to get the educational video series all in one place next month in January. And with this educational series, you are going to have a one-on-one session for free with me to take any of your questions after you have went through the material and you have took your notes. So this is what we had to share. We will publish more information in the next videos as we go along in the midweek. So let's start with the weekly market forecast video. Let's start with the dollar index as we usually do. We should be expecting early in the week probably some sort of consolidation or a bounce within this area. But then we are expecting the dollar to give us another drop to the downside towards the 104 area. So this will be a type of move that we're expecting to see for the dollar index in the coming week to the next one. So this will be our bias overall in the short term. Dollar yen, we have seen the drop to the downside as we have expected exactly at the 150 area. This is exactly what we have shown in our previous weekly market forecast video, in which you can watch it again. So from here, we are expecting the market to give us at least a small bounce before anything else takes place towards the 152, 153 area for the short term. Euro, this was one of our recommendations that we provided to our members on Friday, the 22nd of November, when the market was falling for the last low before the reaction. Expecting overall more upside to reach the 108 area. We might have another push to the upside and then a pullback before the next move. So soon the euro is going to give us a consolidation before the next move to the 108 area. And this is the view that we have for the short term. The pound, same with the euro. We have got this move to the upside. We recommended to our members to be buying this one on Friday as well. We also recommended that we take profits right here before the market consolidates. We can buy again for the 129 or so area. So we have got this move to the upside as expected. And now any pullbacks are expected to remain supported, at least for the short term, for one more push to the upside, which can take us anywhere between 128.50 to 129. For gold, we have got the reaction as we expected from the Fibonacci extension area, which we have explained that we expected to have a bounce. The market has provided us with a pullback, and now it looks like it is accumulating for one more push to the upside ideally. So as far as gold stays above the 14th of November's lows, this is going to be just a consolidation and an accumulation stage right here for another push to the upside that can take place. And there is a likelihood, if this move is decent, we might have one more high, new all-time high before a reaction. So this is our bias for gold. Of course, it doesn't have the best risk to reward setup to be looking for the trades at the moment. So that's why we have the membership service, so we can tell you which pairs and instruments they have the best risk to reward setups, and based on what we see ahead. So you can take the, let's say, best in terms of risk to reward and healthy type of trades than to chase markets which have been mature or which they might be riskier to be trading. Made another low. So oil, it looks like very weak. It makes new lows. However, it should still give us maybe a small reaction. So it seems like this extension area does not seem to be strong enough from buyers, and it will be interesting to see what happens in the next 2 weeks if we break the 73 area. This will open space for new lows following the weakness in the dollar, and if oil is going to do that, then it's going to give me a bounce, and then it will sell off again later on. So for oil, we continue to be bearish, sideways to lower, and we are expecting ideally a break below the 18th of November lows, and we are expecting the market to give us new lows below the 65 area. We can see that the market has been sideways to lower for a long time, but at this stage is not worth to be trading because it's a very poor risk to reward ratio. So it's going to be a decision soon for oil. We have explained that there was an alternative scenario whether oil was going to do the double correction higher, but so far it looks very weak, and the higher probability chances is that a break to the downside should be taking place, and this is to add to this selling area, this selling area, and this selling area during the year. So ideally, we're expecting oil to see new lows below the area of 65, and we still remain with that bias in view for this commodity. For natural gas, we haven't updated this one for some time because there was no need. We have been explaining throughout the summer that the market was going to remain sideways between the $2 range. And we have explained that after the summer, we should have seen a break to the upside towards the $4-5 area. We have got exactly this target area in the beginning of October. We have had a correction, and then we have broke to the upside this major trend line in the daily time frame, which it's the one from October 2023. And now the market should be heading for the $4 to $5 area higher, and the market should remain bullish in the short term. The weekly time frame was bullish from these lows at the 1.56 area, which these have been during the beginning of the year. However, for short-term trading, we knew that the market was going to go up and down throughout this time. And after the summer, we have finally got the breakout for the $4 to $5 target area. So if you want to know the bigger picture in natural gas and also the other commodities and what we can see ahead of time, this information, of course, is shared only if you are a member, and that's why you can join us with the link in the description, and especially if you get the yearly special offer we have, you are going to benefit the most for 2025. For the S&P 500, we have got new all-time highs again. This was a small pullback that we have seen during the middle of November. The market remains bullish and we can see the market heading towards the 6,100 to 200 area next before anything else takes place. So overall, we are extending higher. Soon we are going to enter into a bigger weekly target area that we expected the S&P 500 to reach even from the beginning of this year. Our members that joined us from the beginning, they knew that the bigger target area for the S&P 500 was above the 6,000. So this is where we are heading next. Of course, for trading short term, there is no good risk to reward to chase this one higher at the moment. So we would rather stay neutral from the indices heading into the next week. For Bitcoin, of course, we remain bullish as we have explained. We might get sideways a bit more here, but soon enough the market should be breaking higher and we should trade above the 100K. There is a bigger target to the upside that we are expecting Bitcoin to reach around the 110,000, 120. And this should be the target in the near term, potentially by the next month. So if you are buying Bitcoin from these lows, you can keep holding it, that's fine. More upside should be taking place. Any of these short-term consolidations, they should remain corrective for the next push to the upside that we are expecting to be taking place. So with that note, this is what we had for this weekly market forecast video. Expect during the midweek and generally more market updates from our side. We are preparing for a big year in 2025, as we have explained from the beginning of the video. So you are going to be expecting more content from us, and we are going to share with you much more general information so you can get an understanding where we are coming from and how we can help you out in your trading or investing journey. So we can all benefit together at the end of the day with the right knowledge, information, and understanding. And more importantly, to avoid following any of the amateur or any of the wrong information out there. And that is for your own benefit at the end of the day. So with that note, enjoy the rest of your weekend and we will see you in the next video. Take care.